Greetings, InvestGrowthWisdom community. Today, we're going to revisit Palantir Technologies. This tech powerhouse, renowned for its data analytics and AI prowess, is not only shaping the future of the industry but is also poised to be a significant player to watch in the coming years. We talked about the company in our prior videos, and since then, the company has won a few significant contracts, so it is worth taking another look at their promising trajectory from here. In this video, I am going to share 3 big wins for Palantir in recent months, and how those contracts help to boost the company's revenue and earnings in the years to come. On top of that, we will discuss where Palantir stock price is possibly headed, and what are some risks along the way. Diving straight into some thrilling updates, Palantir is reportedly on the brink of securing a deal with the UK's National Health Service, NHS. Highlighted in the article, Palantir rises, nears UK NHS contract amid data privacy concerns, it mentions. Peter Thiel's Palantir Technologies, PLTR, shares rose nearly 4.5% as the company may be on track to win a contract to overhaul the UK's NHS, despite concerns over privacy. This partnership aims to transform the NHS's approach to medical data, detect patterns, and overhaul the entire system. The deal is subject to final approvals. Final nods are still pending, so it's worth noting it hasn't been finalized. Civil rights and patient advocacy groups have expressed concerns over transparency with health data. Many advocacy groups are worried about a US company like Palantir handling UK health data because of transparency concerns. If Palantir successfully handles data rights and political challenges, they might make $83 million annually, possibly reaching $579 million in 5 years. There's also buzz about a 2-year extension. That is a significant win for the company as it expands to other markets outside of the US. Okay, let's move on to talk about another big deal Palantir won in recent month, their $463 million deal with US Special Operations. The contract spanned across multiple years, and it aims to integrate AI infrastructure and large language models, LLMs, into the military. According to statement from Palantir, Palantir is driving rapid innovations across its defense portfolio. These include advancements in large language models, LLMs, to reduce cognitive load on warfighters and commanders, as well as advancements in edge processing and edge AI to maximize the warfighter's ability to integrate and utilize real-time information. The third deal or contract we are going to discuss today is Palantir's partnership with Sparta Science. Sparta Science is a top player in health tech innovation. They've recently teamed up with Palantir's renowned FedStart program, aiming to advance AI solutions for the US government. Both Palantir and Sparta are considered pioneers in their domains. Palantir, mastering big data analytics and AI, and Sparta, which furnishes cutting-edge AI-powered platforms. This partnership combines the strengths from each company. And the result? A fusion of unparalleled AI intelligence and operational capabilities designed to supercharge US governmental operations. According to a recent article by Sparta Science, the partnership is framed as such. Sparta Science, a leader in movement health technologies, is partnering with Palantir Technologies' FedStart program to operate at Impact Level 5 for US government customers. Sparta Science offers a cutting-edge data and AI operations platform, artificial intelligence machine learning-enabled insights, and decision support tools to optimize human readiness for the mission. FedStart is a software-as-a-service offering that accelerates and expands access to federal government customers by enabling Sparta Science to run its platform within Palantir's secure and accredited environment. The essence of this partnership lies in its foundation. It is built on a commitment to security and compliance, strengthening their existing reputation. It also highlights Palantir's adaptability. They're involved in diverse sectors, from public to private to government, showcasing their drive for innovation. Sparta Science's CEO, Phil Wagner, said, "We are thrilled to join Palantir's FedStart program and leverage their expertise and outstanding credentials for secure GovCloud operations. This partnership allows us to focus on delivering the best human readiness solutions without placing the full burden of an ATO on our customers, accelerating the time to capability in the hands of operators." This partnership sets the stage for Sparta to amplify its impact without overburdening its patrons. So all 3 deals are happening in the government sector. And as we know it, the government sector contributes to over half of Palantir's total revenue. For Palantir, these contracts further broaden the company's horizons, proving their adaptability and power in the tech space. In his recent letter to shareholders, Palantir CEO Alex Karp said, "The demand for AIP is unlike anything we have seen in the past 20 years. We are currently in discussions with more than 300 additional enterprises to deploy AIP within their organizations, all of which are searching for an effective and secure means of adapting the latest large language models for use on their internal systems and proprietary data." If you have been following our channel, you know that I have been advocating buying PLTR stocks for its long-term growth perspective. Now many financial analysts are labeling Palantir Technologies as the top growth stock below $20. There's buzz that its share price might skyrocket to $32, exceeding previous expectations of $25. Highlighted in an article titled "My Top Growth Stock to Buy with Just $20 Right Now," it mentions, this fast-growing company could give investors' portfolios a big boost, thanks to an acceleration in its growth. Technology stocks have witnessed a rollercoaster ride over the past 3 years, rising impressively in 2021 before collapsing last year on account of surging inflation, high interest rates, the fear of a recession, and weakness in key consumer markets such as smartphones and computers. Despite the volatility, the tech-focused NASDAQ 100 Technology Sector Index has appreciated 23% in the past 3 years. It is worth noting that the index surged 35% in 2023 alone. However, September was a challenging month for technology stocks as the NASDAQ 100 retreated 5%. Palantir is a new player in the tech space, and as a result, the stock tends to have more fluctuations compared to seasoned players like Microsoft or Apple. So far, we talked about the bright futures if the company can deliver. What are some headwinds for this stock? One looming concern is inflation. The Fed has been raising interest rates aggressively to bring inflation down. They have reiterated the idea of keeping rates higher for longer. Typically, when rates are high, growth stocks such as Palantir will decline in its price. Currently, Palantir's shares are trading at approximately $17.30, not quite at their peak. Yet, some analysts forecast a rise to $25 in the upcoming year. While there are no certainties in the stock market, such projections underscore the growing confidence in Palantir's prospective trajectory. In the first half of 2023, Palantir has reported a revenue of $1.06 billion, marking a 15% increase from last year. And there's potential for this figure to double by year's end. Predictions suggest they could grow steadily, possibly by 20% each year until 2025. It is also worth noting that Palantir is witnessing a bump in spending by its customers. The average trailing 12-month revenue from its top 20 customers increased 15% year-over-year in the second quarter of 2023 to $53 million per customer. The addition of AI-focused applications could help drive further growth in spending by Palantir customers and give the company's earnings growth a nice boost in the long run. Analysts forecast an 82% earnings growth for Palantir in the next 5 years. That means its earnings per share could jump from 6 cents in 2022 to $1.20 by 2027. Doing some calculations, this suggests Palantir's share price might reach $32 by 2027. For the near term, many experts see it hitting $25 in 2023 and 2024. So, what's your take on this? Do you believe in Palantir's potential, or are you skeptical about the prospects? As we wrap up today's exploration into Palantir's financial realm, I urge you to make informed decisions. Stay curious, stay informed, and above all, keep growing. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button for more enlightening content. Until next time.